Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we pull back the curtain on the world's most anticipated tech before it even hits the shelves. Today, we are breaking down a massive engineering leak that has officially taken the internet by storm: the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro. The drone industry is about to change forever, and what DJI is doing with this next-generation sub-250-gram powerhouse confirms what we once thought was physically impossible for a micro-drone. We have systematically analyzed the latest hardware roadmaps, supply chain tracking, and patent blueprints to give you the most accurate, authentic deep dive into DJI's next masterpiece. If you are a professional filmmaker, a content creator, or a travel vlogger looking for ultimate flight freedom without sacrificing elite cinema-grade quality, this is the hardware update you have been waiting for. Let's start with the heart of any camera drone: the imaging system. The previous generation already shocked the tech world by cramming a standard 1-inch CMOS sensor into a lightweight body. But the Mini 6 Pro is taking a massive, true generational leap forward by introducing a rumored 1-inch stacked Titan sensor. For those unfamiliar with camera physics, a stacked sensor separates the pixel circuitry from the processing substrate, allowing data to read out at blistering, unprecedented speeds. This hardware design completely eliminates rolling shutter artifacts, meaning fast-moving objects or rapid camera pans will look buttery smooth and professionally stabilized. This architecture unlocks the 6K cinematic revolution at 60 frames per second on a micro-drone. Having 6K resolution on a sub-250-gram platform changes everything for high-end post-production workflows. It allows you to crop, reframe, and stabilize your shots in post without dipping below a crisp, native 4K master file. But the upgrades do not stop at the sensor architecture. For the first time in the history of the Mini series, supply chain leaks point to a game-changing mechanical variable aperture, ranging from f1.8 down to f11. Anyone who flies drones knows the absolute frustration of lighting changes in the field. Right now, if the sun pops out from behind a cloud, you have to land the aircraft, swap out physical neutral density filters, and relaunch, destroying your creative flow. With a mechanical variable aperture, you can adjust your exposure seamlessly on the fly while navigating volatile lighting conditions. If you are shooting a cinematic sequence at sunrise, you can start wide open at f1.8 to pull in maximum light and smoothly transition toward f11 as the sun rises, maintaining a perfect exposure and a natural, constant shutter speed without ever landing. Now, all of this premium imaging technology is completely useless if the drone is difficult to fly or easily crashed. Which brings us to the next massive hardware revelation: the integration of an advanced, omnidirectional safety system powered by next-generation Nightscape LiDAR. Traditional drone obstacle avoidance relies heavily on optical binocular vision cameras. These systems work excellently during a bright sunny afternoon, but the moment dusk hits or you try to fly a low-light night sequence, the cameras lose their vision, rendering the drone blind and highly vulnerable to crashes. DJI is completely bypassing this limitation by mounting an advanced laser-guided LiDAR architecture. By actively emitting thousands of invisible laser pulses per second, the Mini 6 Pro can actively calculate spatial depth and map out a flawless, three-dimensional model of its environment in absolute pitch-black darkness. This means your omnidirectional obstacle sensing and elite active track 360 systems will function flawlessly during a midnight city run or a dense canopy flight at dusk. To keep up with this influx of real-time environmental data and high bitrate video, DJI is upgrading the core communications hardware to the highly anticipated O5 transmission protocol. In premium global markets and dense metropolitan areas across the United States, radio frequency interference from Wi-Fi routers, cellular towers, and concrete structures is a constant headache for pilots. It causes choppy live views, latency spikes, and terrifying signal disconnects. The next-generation O5 system introduces advanced beamforming technology and utilizes a wider operational spectrum to deliver a rock-solid, crystal-clear 1080p live feed at 60 frames per second. Even in high-interference environments, of course, the biggest engineering hurdle for any micro-drone has always been physics. How do you pack a larger stacked sensor, a mechanical variable aperture assembly, and a heavy-duty LiDAR laser array into an aircraft while strictly adhering to the global, critical 249-gram weight threshold? Going over 250 grams means facing strict aviation registrations, bureaucratic permits, and flight restrictions in premium countries. DJI's engineering team has tackled this by completely redesigning the structural chassis using ultralight carbon composite plastics and optimizing internal heat dissipation. Even more impressive are the supply chain whispers regarding the power cells. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to transition toward highly dense next-generation battery cell chemistry. These high-density cells pack significantly more energy per gram than traditional lithium polymer configurations. The standard intelligent flight battery is expected to push flight performance well past 40 minutes, while a rumored Plus battery configuration could break boundaries by offering an astonishing 60 minutes of total flight time. Let's talk about the physical form factor and creative execution. The signature foldable architecture remains, but it is accompanied by an enhanced, highly flexible gimbal assembly capable of a massive 225 degrees of physical rotation. This allows for seamless, true native vertical shooting for high-end social media delivery without cropping your high-resolution files. Furthermore, it allows for extreme low-angle upward shooting, giving you the ability to look directly up at towering skyscrapers, cliffs, or forest canopies, a perspective that was previously physically blocked by the drone's own frame. So, when can you actually get your hands on this revolutionary micro-drone, and how much will it impact your wallet? Given the historical release patterns and the current state of supply chain tracking, industry insiders point toward a premium launch window targeting late autumn or early winter, aligning perfectly with the high-demand global holiday season. As for pricing, packing this level of elite technology into a sub-250-gram frame means it will maintain a premium position. Predictions put the base model, which includes the standard aircraft and basic controller, right around the $800 to $900 mark, while the highly coveted Fly More combo, packed with extra high-density batteries, a multi-charging hub, and premium accessories, will likely scale toward $1,100. While that sits at the higher end of the compact market, the absolute elimination of the compromise between travel-friendly weight and top-tier cinematic quality makes it an incredibly justified investment for serious creators. The DJI Mini 6 Pro is shaping up to be an absolute marvel of modern engineering. It successfully turns what used to be a consumer travel toy into a legitimate, uncompromised, commercial-grade filmmaking tool. Make sure to drop a comment below and let us know. Are you freezing your credit card for the Mini 6 Pro, or does your current aerial setup still get the job done? If you want to stay ahead of the curve with the absolute latest in high-end consumer technology, hardware roadmaps, and authentic tech leaks, hit that like button, share this video with your fellow creators, and subscribe to Tap Tech. Thank you so much for watching all the way through, and we will see you in the next one.